What's up, everybody? Shaden Foster at the 405 crew, and this week we're going on a goose hunt. We are whitetail guys. we don't really do the goose hunting thing, but we got some buddies that got decoys, layout blinds, all that stuff. We pieced enough stuff together to throw together a pretty good little goose hunt.
It's been about, I'd say, 5 or 6 years since I've been on a goose hunt, any type of waterfowl. It's been a minute, so it took a little while to get things back in the groove. We had a lot of fun, like Shaden said. We mainly hunt whitetail, as you guys will see in some videos that we're going to be dropping a little later. We got a mule deer hunt coming up. We're going to do some doe management. Shaden, he was able to knock a good one down this year, so we got a lot coming for y'all. So yeah, back to that day. It was a pretty good day. There was 10 of us. We ended up with a 74, 75 birds, mixed bag between ducks and geese. So it was a pretty good day for not hunting waterfowl for a while.
I got cattle over there on the place. There's a quarter a week. It was about 200 or 300 geese hitting it. And the last few days before we hunted, there's about 3,000 or 4,000 birds out there. So I was like, hey, we got to put together a goose hunt. And I watched enough YouTube that week leading up to it. I was pretty much a pro by the time.
Yeah, we're experts now.
Yeah, and hell, the film wouldn't show any different. It was a pretty good morning. We no more got set up, and the ducks started rolling in, and got to kill a few widgeon. After that, man, the black cloud was upon us.
No, not yet. Hold on. Wait till this good group over. What do you think? Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, the same thing. Hayden, I hope you got that camera on. We're rolling. Take off and you kill him. Brush it down. Hey, tell what you said about the outside is good. What do you want to do? Stay warm. Yeah! Yes, good. Good job, boys. Get the sheep. Yellow.
Alright guys, as you can see, man, that video, it was pretty good hunt. We had a great time out there. We told you guys we're whitetail hunters. We're not waterfowl or goose hunters, but it was a pretty good day.
It was a big sign of relief when we had as good a morning as we did. I'm sure when I text everybody, hey, go goose hunting with me, they's probably like, yeah, okay. This guy don't know how to goose hunt, but it worked out.
That's one of the worst things going goose hunting, is going out there, taking the time, setting all the decoys up, lining in the blinds and everything, and then nothing pans out. That's happened more times than not whenever I've gone goose hunting. So it was a big relief to have a good morning like that. It was a great time with some good friends. So
yeah, I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, stay tuned for some more videos.
Uh-oh, we got a goose behind us on the loose.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh! Oh, hell.
Okay,
Hey,
boys, here we go.
He's coming right at us.
You want me to kill him or no?
Well, let's just give her a minute.
Call your shot. See how good you are. Don't miss. Everybody's watching.
Ready?
You missed! My God!